This 2018 Jayco Octane Super Lite 222 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 26 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 6, leveling jacks, DVD player, air conditioning, refrigerator, external shower, water heater, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco Octane Super Lite 222 is 5,613 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.